Hi everyone, I am Kumphaphan Watcharaphirom. I am a second year English major student, Faculty of Humanity and Social Sciences at the Rajasima Rajpath University. Today I will be review a book is Engine Reason. Wow. Engine Reason is a book in the Alice and Jerry Basics Reading Program by Mabel O'Donnell, which is designed for children's reading. This book has a distinctive feature of storytelling, easy to understand and friendly to children. The main content and character in this book are often involved and in adventures or situations that occur in children's daily lives, with the objective to promote reading skills, understanding the story, and imagination. Main character 1. The citizens of town in the valley. 1879. People in small towns there may be owners of stories, trains, and family members who participate in various activities in the city, such as celebrations of trade. 2. Family of the city in City on the Hill. 1910. In this era, there may be a family character that grows up with the city and experience new technologies such as modern tea and cinema. 3. The current group. In the final chapter, 100 Years of Graving may have characters that represent the new generation that looks back to the ground and change of the city in the past. From the table of the book of Ancient Visions, we can divide the story into 3 periods. 1. Town in the Valley, 1879. The story during this time should be about life in a small town. One of the valleys in 1879 tells the story of the community activities such as Puffin Billy, which may be a story of Tank Town about activities in the small town, and 4th of July, which should be a celebration, celebrate the United States National Day. 2. City on the Hill, 1910. This part should be discussed in the growth of the city in the hill in 1910. That is a live introduction from the coming of new technologies such as modern tea, which should mean cars, first modern tea, parallels that may be related to car brands and Nickelodeon. May be a matter of new cinemas or entertainment in that era. 3. Today and tomorrow. This final part should be a summary or reflecting the development of societies. By using the name 100 Years of Growing to show the change of life in society that grows throughout the 100 years. For example, 3 outstanding stories. 1. Puffin Billy. This story is probably about a train called Puffin Billy, which may be important in the development of small cities in that era. The coming of the train may change the way of life of people, resulting in more convenient trade and travel through modern tree. This story should mention the coming of modern tea in the city, which is a new innovation that affects the lifestyle in the city, reflecting technology change and moving more conveniently. 3. 100 Years of Growing. It is a summary of the growth and change of society from the past to the present in the 100 years, reflecting the evolution of the community and change in the ways of life. Summary of the ancient village will conclude with the emphasis of the community from the past to the present. By seeing the overview of the ground and change that occurred during 100 years, both in terms of technology, social population, and the development of the city. Today we have finished presenting the contents. See you again with the next book. Thank you. Bye bye.